Hayır. Şey var şu an bu ya. They call me the Wild Rose, but my name was Eliza. They call me it, I do not know. For my name was Eliza Day. For my name was Eliza Day. On the first day I saw her, I knew she was the one. She stayed in my eyes with a smile. But her lips were the color of the roses that grew down the river, all bloody and wild. And the last thing I heard was a martyr. He knelt upon me with a rock in his hand, and then on the ground I nodded my head, but surely الصوت والسنكرونيزيرت. كده ده فيتا من الصورة.